Great! Let's get monster making! Hi!
It's a card tube alien. For this we'll need a card tube, coloured paper, paint and stickers. Let's start by painting the card tube. I think I'll give our alien blue skin with this blue paint.
You got it! Painty, painty, monster painty! Hey, 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 hey!
While we leave that to dry, let's use this yellow paper and draw 2 arms with 3 fingers on each hand. On this red paper, we can draw a smiley mouth. Now we can cut these shapes out.
Here comes some monster magic!
Ask a grown-up to help you with scissors at home. Let's glue on the arms. And mouth. Finally, let's decorate! This sticker will be perfect for one big alien eye. And finally, let's use these pointy stickers for teeth.
Sticky, sticky! Oh, I do like pointy monster teeth!
There we have it, one card tube alien all finished.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?